In the bottom 8 lines of your notes, I'd like you to take down 5 observations of things that you notice I do when I write a proof. Now, the nice thing is you don't have to copy this proof. I'm going to think aloud, and I want you to watch what I do, what I think about, the questions I ask myself as I go through a proof. And I want you to write 5 observations. So at the end of this video, you should have 5 observations in the very bottom of your notes. Okay, in this case, I'm going to be proven that given line AC is perpendicular to line BC and angle 3 is complementary to angle 1, can I prove that angle 3 is congruent to angle 2? Okay, first I need to draw my diagram. I'm going to do that really carefully. Take some time here to draw it really well. Okay, A, C, B, D, angle 3, 1, and 2. Okay, this is the diagram that was with my proof. Okay, let's see. Okay, given information, AC is perpendicular to BC. They're perpendicular, that means they make a right angle, so this is 90 degrees. Okay. Angle 3 is complementary to angle 1. Angle 3, angle 1 are complementary. Oh, they add up to 92. All right. Now, what am I trying to prove here? Okay, prove that angle 3 is congruent to angle 2. Angle 3, angle 2. Angle 1 and 3 are complementary. Oh, angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 and 2 are complementary. They're complementary because they add up to 90 degrees. And they're both complementary, and they include angle 1. That's that theorem. That's a theorem we just learned. If 2 angles are complementary with the same angle, then those 2 angles must be congruent. Something like that. Oh, okay, I kind of have a plan here. Okay, so let's see. Statements. Okay, then I have my reasons. Okay, number 1, AC is perpendicular to BC, and angle 3 is complementary to angle 1. That is given. Okay. The first thing I said was that if these are perpendicular, then this big angle is 90 degrees. But I need to show that angle 1 and 2 are complementary. Okay, so I'll start by showing this. Okay, so angle ACB, that big angle, equals 90 degrees because of the definition of perpendicular. These are perpendicular lines. Definition of perpendicular lines. Okay. Alright, those are perpendicular. Okay, I need to get to angle 1 and 2 and show that they're related to the big angle. Oh, I know. Measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 makes the big angle, the measure of angle ACB. So 1 and 2 make the big angle. That's the angle addition postulate. Angle addition postulate. Okay, now, I need to show these equal 90, so the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 is 90 degrees, because ACB is 90 degrees. That's substitution. I just substituted one in for the other. Okay, I'm trying to show these are complementary. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Oh, here we go. Angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. They're complementary because of the definition of complementary lines, of complementary angles. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Okay. All right, let's see. Angle 3 is complementary to 1. Angle 1 is complementary to 2. That's what I needed to show. Now I can say angle 3 is equal or congruent to angle 2 because of that theorem, but I don't have it memorized, but let's see. What do I know? Oh, here we go. If two angles are complementary to the same angle, then they are congruent. It's close enough. It's not exactly the theorem, but that's pretty close. Okay, that's how I prove that if these are perpendicular and 3 is complementary to angle 1, that's how I prove that angle 3 and 2 are congruent. Go ahead and look at my proof, think about what I said, what I asked myself, and write your 5 observations now.